Day 8, 30 new questions or answers for OPSC AIO exam. Topics covered: GK, English, Science. 1. General knowledge. 1. Who was the first Governor General of independent India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer: Lord Mountbatten. 2. Which is the highest gallantry award in India? A. Paramveer Chakra. B. Ashoka Chakra. C. Shaurya Chakra. D. Kirti Chakra. Answer: Paramveer Chakra. 3. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Subhas Chandra Bose. D. Rabindranath Tagore. Answer: B. Jawaharlal Nehru. 4. The famous Sun Temple of Konark is located in which Indian state? A. West Bengal. B. Orissa. C. Karnataka. D. Tamil Nadu. Answer: B. Orissa. 5. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto. B. Ottawa. C. Vancouver. D. Montreal. Answer: B. Ottawa. 6. Who was the first woman Chief Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi. B. Sucheta Kripalani. C. Jayalalitha. D. Mamata Banerjee. Answer: B. Sucheta Kripalani. 7. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Answer: B. Japan. 8. What is the currency of Bangladesh? A. Taka. B. Rupee. C. Kyat. D. Ringgit. Answer: Taka. 9. In which year was the Indian National Congress founded? A. 1875. B. 1885. C. 1905. D. 1919. Answer: B. 1885. Thus, who is known as the Iron Man of India? A. Subhas Chandra Bose. B. Bhagat Singh. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Answer: C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. 2. English language. 11. Choose the correct synonym for adversity. A. Happiness. B. Hardship. C. Joy. D. Comfort. Answer: B. Hardship. 12. Choose the correct antonym for obsolete. A. Old. B. Modern. C. Outdated. D. Ancient. Answer: B. Modern. 13. Find the correct indirect speech. He said, I will help you. A. He said that he will help me. B. He said that he would help me. C. He said that he helps me. D. He said that he is helping me. Answer: B. He said that he would help me. 14. Identify the correctly spelled word. A. Receive. B. Receive. C. Receive. D. Receive. Answer: B. Receive. 15. Fill in the blank. He is afraid heights. A. In. B. Off. C. On. D. At. Answer: B. Off. 16. What is the plural of analysis? A. Analysis. B. Analyses. C. Analyses. D. Analyzes. Answer: C. Analyses. 17. Choose the correct sentence. A. She don't like coffee. B. She doesn't like coffee. C. She doesn't like coffee. D. She don't like coffee. Answer: C. She doesn't like coffee. 18. Identify the correct form of the verb she to school every day. A. Goes. B. Go. C. Going. D. Gone. Answer: goes. 19. Choose the correct preposition. The book is the table. A. On. B. In. C. Off. D. To. Answer: on. B's. What is the meaning of the idiom break the ice? A. Start a conversation. B. Win a race. C. End a fight. D. Make something cold. Answer: start a conversation. Team. Science. 21. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? A. Na. B. So. C. Sd. D. Sa. Answer: Na. 22. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Hydrogen. Answer: B. Nitrogen. 23. What is the C unit of force? A. Joule. B. Newton. C. Watt. D. Pascal. Answer B. Newton. 24. What is the process of conversion of water into vapor called? A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Precipitation. D. Sublimation. Answer B. Evaporation. 25. Which part of the human body produces red blood cells? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Bone marrow. D. Heart. Answer C. Bone marrow. 26. What is the powerhouse of the cell? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosome. D. Cytoplasm. Answer B. Mitochondria. 27. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Gold. B. Mercury. C. Silver. D. Copper. Answer B. Mercury. 28. What is the chemical formula of water? A. BH2O. CO2. D. NaCl. Answer BH2O. 29. Which vitamin is known as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D. 30. What is the value of pure water? A. 5. B. 7. C. 9. D. 12.